Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an avatar in Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Duolingo app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the middle. And here we have this as this is how it opens up. We just tap on the avatar icon, and here we can just create our avatar. We can choose the skin tone, the body type, and then we can move on to facial features. Let's say we have blue eyes. We can set an expression as well. Then we can select the hair color, say like this, then a hairstyle, and yeah, we can just continue on like this. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.